Topic name is collection interface. Well, collection interfaces is the foundation upon which the collection framework is built. Collection interfaces. Collection framework defines several interfaces. This session provides an overview of each interfaces. Beginning with the collection interfaces is necessary because they determine the fundamental nature of the collection classes. Put differently, the concrete classes simply provide different implementations of the standard interfaces. The interfaces that underpin collections are summarized in the following table. 1. Collection enables you to work with a group of objects. It is at the top of the collection hierarchy. 2. List extends collection to handle sequences. 3. Set extends collection to handle sets which must contain unique elements. 4. Sorted sets extends set to handle sorted sets. Next paragraph. In addition to the collections interfaces, collections also use the comparator, iterator and list iterator interfaces, which are described in depth later in this chapter. Briefly, comparator defines how two objects are compared. Iterator and list iterator enumerates the objects within a collection. Next paragraph. To provide the greatest flexibility in their use, the collection interfaces allow some methods to be optional. The optional methods enable you to modify the contents of a methods to be optional. The optional methods enable you to modify the contents of the collection. Collections that suppose these methods are called modifiable. Collections that do not allow their contents to be changed during the changed are called unmodifiable. If an attempt is made to use one of these methods on an unmodified collections, and unsupport operation exception is thrown. All the built-in collections are modified. The following sections examines the collection interfaces.